Class 7, Unit 1, Session 2, I Have a Dream. Non-fiction, written by Martin Luther King Jr. This is the picture of Martin, and he delivered the speech saying, I have a dream. Word meanings: Baptist, a Christian Protestant church that believes that people should be baptized only when they are old enough to understand what it means. Minister, the trained religious member of some Protestant churches. Segregation, policy of separating people of different races and treating them differently from the others. Discrimination, treating some groups within a society unfairly in comparison to others. Orator, someone who is good at public speaking. Score, a set of 20. Decree, an official order from the government that becomes a law. Manacles, metal bands joined by chain used to fastening a prisoner's wrist or ankles together. Promissory note, a signed document containing a promise of paying a particular amount of money before a specified date. Hallowed, holy. Desolate, sad, without hope. Sweltering, so hot that it makes one uncomfortable. Legitimate, fair and justified. Invigorating, healthy and energetic. Inextricably, that cannot be separated. Ghetto, an area in a city where people of same race live apart from the rest of the population. They often have poor living conditions. Like in India we have slums. Slum area is there. Same like that. Tribulations, great trouble or suffering. Redemptive, that which saves one from the power of evil. Creed, a set of principles or a religious beliefs. Content, things that are contained within someone. Pilgrim, one who travels especially on a journey to visit sites of religious significance or to live in a new place. Hamlet, a very small village. Jews, someone who believes and practices Judaism. Gentiles, someone who is not Jewish. Protestants, someone who follows the Western Christian Church, which has separated itself from the Roman Catholic Church in 16th century. Catholics, those who follow the Christian Church with the Pope as its leader. This picture is all about Martin delivering a speech against racism. Martin Luther King Jr. was born in Atlanta, Georgia on Jan 15, 1929. Died on April 4th, 1968. He was an American Christian minister and activist who became the most visible spokesperson and leader in the civil rights movement from 1955 until his assassination in 1968. King is best known for advancing civil rights through non-violence and civil disobedience, inspired by his Christian beliefs and non-violent activism of Mahatma Gandhi. The movement aimed to end racial segregation and discrimination against black Americans. He also remembered as an inspiring orator following the speech he delivered in Washington, D.C. on 28 August 1963. Here in this session, we are going to study an extract from the speech. First of all, you have to go through his speech, which is online. You can understand from it when you listen to it. Here's again a picture of him delivering, and you can see so many people have gathered there. Here in this chapter, Martin speaks for the freedom of his people. In America, still the Negro were slaves. They were not given full freedom. They were facing a lot of problems. Martin wanted to set some rules for the black people. He wanted the children of white and black to live together as one nation. He wanted them to hold hands as brothers and sisters. He dreamed that one day slave will sit with the owner on the same table to eat. He dreamed that the nation will not judge people through color but through character. He wanted to remove the racism which was there. He dreamed that the children of God, white, black, Jews, Gentiles, Protestants and Catholics will be together fighting and will win and sing together. Thank God Almighty, we are free at last. Here in this picture, the black and white are joining their hands, moving forward, marching towards around the city. Question answers. I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up and live out the true meaning of its creed. When and where was the speech delivered? On 28th August 1963 at Washington, D.C. Which nation is being referred to here? America, where white and black can stay together. What does true meaning of its creed refer to? A set of principles? Or we can say that he wanted freedom for the black people in the same way like the white people were enjoying. Creed is already a set of principles, and here Martin only wanted that same like the white, the black people of America should also get all the rights. Next, they will not be judged by the color of their skin, but by the content of their character. Who is the speaker referring to? Americans, the crowd standing in front of him. Why does he mean by content of their character? He wants people not to judge through skin but through their nature or character. Because in America many people, white people, they felt superior and they used to mistreat the black people. They were not given all their rights. So he just wanted that instead of judging by the color, just judge each and everyone by the character. People are good in their heart, not by just looking at their skin color. C. Question. Why were they judged by the color of the skin? Answer. They were judged by the color of the skin because in America they gave importance to white. The black were suffering because they were slaves there. So he wanted freedom for his people. Third, this will be a day when all the God's children will be able to sing with a new meaning. What is the day that the speaker refers to? On the day of freedom. Who does God's children refer to? Here in this uh, chapter, it is Americans, black, white, Jews, Gentiles, Protestants and the Catholic people. These all people are referred as God's children. What shall they sing with new meaning? They will sing the old Negro spiritual song together, that we are free at last, free from racism, from slavery, we are free, free. So they'll sing together that yes, we are finally free. Your homework: learn the word meanings and question answers. Listen and write the speech of Martin Luther King from internet. Try to get it. Listen to it carefully and write it down so that it will be helpful for you. Third, explain in your own words what Martin's dream was. Yes, after listening to the speech, you will get an idea. So just write it down. You have to write a speech which you have to deliver on 15th August. So think you are going to speak a speech on 15th August in the school. So you have to prepare a speech, write it down. Should be 150 words. Fifth question, write a letter to the education minister of your place telling him the problems of students. So you have to write a letter to the education minister of your place. You have to mention him all the problems what are students facing, like not providing with the books, resources, stress getting from parents, education is what we want that we are not getting. All that thing you have to write down. You have to think something different and write down the letter. In that letter you can also mention that yes, we are the future of the nation, so we the students want these things in our education level and all that. What evidence can you find in the speech that Americans once owned slaves? Yeah, after listening to the Martin's speech, you'll be able to understand that yes, once Americans were the slaves of Americans had the slaves, Africans as their slaves. So find out from the history part when and where it was and how it was. 7. What do you think Martin means when he says he wants white and black children to walk together as sisters and brothers? So here you have to think why he thinks that white and black children should walk together as brother and sisters. So what was the main meaning of this? You have to find out and write it down by yourself. 8th question, find out the story of Rosa Parks and write down about it. Yes, Rosa Parks also, she was one of person who fought against the white people in America. She was sitting in a bus and the lady told her to stand up, but she did not. Even the bus was stopped, and then the bus got boycotted by all the black people, and then many issues had happened. So find out about her and write down the story about Rosa Parks. 9th, write about the current issues related to racism in America on May 2020. So it is just recently some issues had happened, some problems had occurred in America again because of racism. So you have to find out about that current issue from the newspaper cutting, or you can take it and just paste in the issues and the story what happened there. In your own environment, do you feel racism is there, and how can you help in removing it? Explain with examples. Yes, in our own places, in our own surroundings, you have seen if a person is black, he'll be said, you are black, go away from here, or sometimes we go far from the black people and all like that. So you might have seen some racism here also. So you have to find out about, give examples if you have seen, you have felt it, and you have to explain with an example how can you remove it. Okay, how can you help the other people to remove that, or how can you overcome with that problem. I hope you understood the chapter. It is all about the speech, so you have to go through it, listen to it, learn the question answers, do all the things, and write the homework which I have given you, which is one of the important questions. You have to write it your own, try to understand it. I know you big students, so you can write your own answers. Do it, enjoy your holidays, and do study. Thank you.